Big it up rum punch. Yeah. So what you do over there?
Yeah, so I cover up them now.
Uh-huh.
Like me escobit thing them, I put them in the fridge, but then go and stay in the fridge.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so cover them up. You know, I work ahead of time, you know. I work one time where tomorrow me have to cut up set I'm gonna cut up, you know, and I fry. That's too much thing for me to do. So
Yeah.
so now like this and now I'm gonna go plastic wrap it,
Uh-huh.
put it in the fridge.
And tomorrow you start cook all of these.
Yeah. So that's what I do now. So today now I'm cut up and season up. Tomorrow I just cook. So I'm plastic wrap this real nice. Yeah. I get no frost burn. I'll clean up some chicken I know. I'll clean up some chicken.
Okay.
So you can say this a garlic and thyme in that. That I seasoning them that. So when I go do now, I go throw some salt in this. Because I go put the chicken in this, the water. So I'm going to throw some salt in there. You know, salt take off the bacteria with the lime juice.
Oh, you say you chose salt and lime juice.
And vinegar.
And vinegar. Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
So I'm going to use lime juice and salt. I don't have to use the vinegar. I'm going to squeeze a lime. Squeeze a lime. And I eat that one. I have salt, I have lime juice, so that's take off any bacteria in there.
Oh, okay.
Wash off chicken them in. So it's the water. So I'm going to throw some water in this. I'm going to clean the chicken them. I'll put them in that. Wash them off. I mean, I just clean up chicken and just put on grill, you know. Chicken have wash off, you know.
Yeah, wash it off real good.
Real good, yeah. So, as you can see them here. These are whole chicken. These are whole chicken. So I'm going to chop up these.
Okay.
These are chicken leg quarter. These are chicken leg quarter. So first, I'm going to cut them whole chicken here first. See chicken now, and get everything in it, you know. See them here, the neck and the gizzard and them thing there. But when we do it them now, we clean them up and use them white soup.
Oh, okay.
Chicken neck and the gizzard.
Like when you cook chicken, cook soup or?
Yeah, or if I cook chicken, or brown stew chicken, I cook them up in there. And they're nice, you know, they're part of the chicken me like.
So nothing go to waste?
Nothing go to waste.
Nothing goes to waste.
So, like these now, these are nothing but pea fat.
Yeah, you have to take off all of the fat there.
I'll get a bag up, so. These not nothing but pea fat. Can't grill with them upon it. Can't grill with them upon it because it's blaze up a grill. It's not good for people eat. It's pea fat. the wing. We chop off out of the head. Out of the end of the wing.
Yeah.
You see, you got those little feather on it.
Yeah.
So we
Chop off those.
yeah. I'll be with them. How we throw it to. Call it the bottom. Rectum. Yeah.
Have it throw with the rectum every time.
Yeah. Some people like it.
Yeah.
But me not deal with things like it. So all them things I know have to clean out of my chicken.
You know, when I was a boy, I used to like it.
Yeah.
But I don't eat that no more.
Chicken rectum.
Now when you're picking, you know, man, you
Yeah, so all them things I have to clean out of my chicken. See all them things, yeah?
So some people don't clean out those?
No.
What?
Cook it anyway, yeah.
Shit.
Some people don't clean out them. Chicken have to clean up, you know. So most of them are cruggle blood, you know.
Yeah, you have to take out all of those, man. The wind get wicked.
Yeah.
Gangali is going to tell everybody what he's doing. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So I'm gonna season up them jerk chicken, I know.
Okay, so you already have some time in it, right?
Yeah, and this rosemary. So I cut up them thing here. Them thing here, you know. These are the spice, natural season. Make the thing taste nice.
So those who haven't done jerk chicken before, right?
Yeah.
If you want to do jerk chicken, make sure you have your thyme, your rosemary.
This garlic.
Put your garlic in it, right?
Everything in it, yeah.
Yeah. But the secret is in the jerk spice, right?
Yeah.
Jerk seasoning.
Yeah, the secret.
Yeah.
The jerk season. Now some secret. They can't talk out all that secret.
I know.
Yeah, we'll keep back some of the secret.
Yeah, Gangali have his own secret remedy, recipe. Yeah, that he doesn't share with nobody. That's why this jerk chicken always tastes the best.
Oh, not really the best.
The best
we're
to
not
me.
self-praise. We're not self-praise with self, you know, but we do the thing good, you know.
Yeah.
You know, how do we say self-praise and a recommendation?
Yeah.
Look at people praise we.
Yeah, but to me, it's the best to me.
Oh, yeah. Well, when me hear that from you, that will not bigger, but me not praise myself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the real Gangali, man. Self-praise is no recommendation.
For real, yeah.
Yeah.
But the people giving the praise. But we try to do the best, you know.
Yeah.
Try to do the best, you know. And big up me. Matthew must have watch me I know. Susan's son, Matthew. In Atlanta must have watch me I do you know. Matthew, they're back on it you know. Yeah. Big up Mama Sue and Mr. Chris and big up the whole family, you know. Whole Gangali supporter. Big up everybody, vibe, you know. Bittersweet, you know, because I do things that my auntie drop out and, you know, bittersweet, you know, but I go and say it, you know.
She was a favorite auntie?
Yeah, man. Two favorite auntie I got, she and the next one we dead. I'm like my favorite people, them all of them are dead. Favorite uncle, him sick too.
Yeah. Big up Uncle Paul. Big up, let me big up some people, man. Uncle Paul, mini chef in England, TK, one busy mama. Hey, blended culture. A whole lot of people to big up.
So,
What we gonna do now?
we already got in them thing already.
Okay.
So, I put some seasoning, but I don't use no whole pot seasoning.
Okay.
Just you know, just little bit car. Jerk season have been seasoned already, and I have natural seasoning. We use most natural seasoning. It's a whole beer, that's a good seasoning.
Whole beer.
Yeah.
You have to have the good pimento.
Pimento.
Yeah, pimento seed.
You wash out the pimento seed, yeah.
You know, back home we used to have some pimento tree in our yard, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Pimento, real spice, you know. Natural spice.
And we use the leaf too, and
Yeah, all the pimento leaf, man.
put in a porridge. You know, you put it in a soup too, right?
So yeah, soup, yeah.
Soup porridge.
But when I really put in a porridge.
Yeah, we used to put pimento.
This chicken seasoning. This chicken seasoning.
Chicken seasoning.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm putting a whole heap either. See, when I use a spoon, you know, I just use judgment.
Yeah.
It's garlic powder. So you see, as I cut up garlic in it already.
Yeah.
So
You put some garlic powder in it.
yeah, I just look at garlic powder because I put up real garlic already. So just a little bit, you know.
Yeah.
Look at paprika. Paprika give the color,
Oh,
nice
okay.
flavor.
Yeah.
Now make it black and burn, you know, nice brown flavor. Yeah. So that I got that already. This liquid smoke.
Oh, liquid smoke.
Yes. Liquid smoke give the smoke flavor.
Oh, okay.
Just like the charcoal. I'm gonna put it on the charcoal. So the liquid smoke have a taste like the charcoal. The liquid smoke just tastes just like the charcoal I never use.
Oh,
I'm gonna
yeah?
put liquid like this, yeah. So I'm just use liquid like this too. Yeah, the taste nice. I'm gonna put liquid smoke all in my soup. And if I cook all natural soup, just put it in there and you get like smoke, like how you say himself, smoke goated, smoke cow foot and everything there. I don't have to buy that because they're expensive more. I just get my liquid smoke and throw it in my pot. Same taste I get and better taste.
So
Yeah.
people who don't like to smoke, they can just drink this?
Yeah? No. It's not just liquid smoke. It's not just liquid smoke,
man.
yeah.
I have jokes.
So, you see this I know, you see what this mark?
A joke.
Hot.
Hot, spicy.
Yes, so you see how like how this hot and spicy. I don't use no whole pie.
Yeah, because some people don't like.
Yes, West American don't like spicy. Jamaican like spicy, so I just lose little. Because jerk chicken have to have a little spice too.
Yeah.
So I'm not gonna use a whole lot of it. Well,
The mistress is here.
yeah. But I do something now. Well. No, you're the busy man with our West Palm Beach, man. Yeah, because we come out, we can't get the car, we can't have somebody running at the back, so. Well, my friend car, yeah. Oh, we got to the place where we go near the street. Right, that's how we did them, man. I may tell you this morning, say, me the right in your area. And they said the funeral postponed at Jamaica too. They said the body can't bury. And yes, still wedding can't go on. Your wedding can't go on and the dead people can't bury. Because them make money off of the wedding thing, because you have to pay. Because you have to pay for the wedding certificate, the marriage certificate. Yeah. Because I can say, if you go down there, you have to postpone her. Oh. Wow. Yeah, man, I come up and I go take for me shot because me down a west part, down a South Beach, Florida there. Yeah, and the people then, what you need to do with it? That's why I like it. Tap, swing it back. Yeah. So, yes, man, so me come back and go take for me rapid coronavirus test. But yes, man, that's true, man. I run a South Beach. So I come up and I take my test, man, and my test alright, you know. And then me have to go head up to New York right now Saturday morning again. Yeah, Saturday night night. Yeah. But me shout you up a little more because I season up something here, you know.
Okay then, alright then, alright.
Yeah, alright, yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, so you have all the seasoning in now?
Yeah, almost. Jerk seasoning.
That mild?
This mild.
Okay.
This not hot. That not hot. It's mild. You got hot and you got mild.
Yeah.
So the mild not that hot.
Yeah.
So
you mix the mild with the hot?
yes. So I just put a little bit of jerk chicken up here being little pepper, spicy.
Yeah.
So I put more mild now. This now I put more mild.
Okay.
Now you see now.
We're gonna rub it in now?
I'm gonna rub it in now.
Okay.
I rub it in now and see rub it in and see now everything together now.
So Gangali, after you rub it in, then you let it set. Are you gonna do it tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
Okay.
Tomorrow evening. So I make it set and I'm going to marinate it.
Okay. Alright, so tomorrow we'll show everybody the jerk chicken! Gangali's kitchen. Alright.
Yeah, so you have to rub it in, make it season and rubbing at them, you know. All them all you see me punching the chicken them, season have to go in at them, they go settle on, you know. Give me tears. Yeah, see? I rub it in now, you know, and I finish here. You see it down in there?
Yeah.
See down in there? Yeah.
And tomorrow you'll jerk it, right?
Yeah, tomorrow I'm a jerk.